seen how can we create a recurrence relation with the help of if some code, recurrence code is given to you. So I am taking one more example for that. So you can write this thing, okay, what should be the relation. Okay. So already we have done this thing, means if you will say sir int, I am taking one function, that is function, and I am providing the input and okay. So we will get going for if n is greater than 1. Okay, so we can take return. My screen is visible, beta? Hello.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, good. So this is your recurrence relation. Okay, so we can finish this thing here. Okay, so just tell me, if this type of relation will occur, then what will be your recurrence relation? So first you give me answer, then I will go for the further thing. Come on fast. और मैं एक और रिलेशन लिखता हूँ, then we will go for the further thing. So what will be your answer for this?
सर क्या बताना है?
Recurrence relation निकालना है. What should be the recurrence relation? मैंने कोड दी लास्ट क्लास में आपको पढ़ाया था कि you have some code और after that you have to find some relation in terms of tn इस तरीके से tn by n-2 or whatever इस टाइप के रिलेशन सिखाया था. So you can tell me what should be the relation now. Revise नहीं किया I think. So we will see. Okay, so you can say sir if you are providing an input, okay, so we can say sir it will take time, that is tn. Is it okay till now? You are with me I think. Okay, then what is saying sir n is greater than 1, then we can say sir this question is divided into two parts, means n by 2 and n by 2, two questions is there, means this question will be divided into two parts, that is n by 2 n by 2. So it will take time t n by 2. Sir it will also take some time t n by 2. Okay, and sir if you will say some return value will provide some constant time will take by return. Okay, so some return will take some constant time. So we can say that totally if I will calculate this time, then the tn will be equal to sir tn by 2 tn n by 2, 2 times tn by 2 plus tn by 2. Okay, then sir some constant time will be there for return and other things, so I can write the some constant time or I can write the one here. So constant one I can write anything here. Okay, so this relation will occur when sir n is greater than 1, because this condition is given to you. And sir if I will provide this thing, means n is not greater, or you can say equal to 1, or not greater, I am cutting this part. So this is not equal to greater than 1, then what will be the situation sir? Maybe this code will not work, but it will compare or it will take some time. So I can write sir c, means at the time will be tn is equal to c when n is not greater than 1. So this will be my recurrence relation for this code. Is it okay? How can we write? In the last class we have seen this part. Please tell me, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am taking one more example. So this time I want the answer from your side. So just writing one more thing. So
पहले वाली
yeah.
स्लाइड दीजिएगा।
हाँ बेटा बताओ.
मैं बस एक मिनट का फोटो ले लेता हूँ।
हाँ फोटो ले लो, बट मोस्टली फोटो से अच्छा है कॉपी साथ में रखोगे तो बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि आप साथ में लिखते जाओगे. ठीक है, फॉर द मीन्स ये तो मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा पीपीटी वगैरह, बट फॉर द अगर आप लोग कॉपी वगैरह से लिखोगे तो इट विल बी बेटर, कि आप लोगों की प्रैक्टिस भी होगी और आंसर भी दे पाओगे
सर मैं
जल्दी.
लिख भी रहा हूँ बट अभी क्लास
ओके
थोड़ा
ओके
लेट
ओके,
ज्वाइन
नो
कर
प्रॉब्लम. डन, इट इज डन बेटा.
यस सर हो गया।
Okay, now, okay, so again I am taking one function that is void type, or that is, and I am providing the input. After that I am saying, sir, if n is equal to 0, that is the condition, return, just return, means we are doing nothing, just return. Okay, and after that, if this condition is not occur, or you can write here else you can write, or you are using the return, so there is no need to write the else again and again. So I am writing this type of function, sir, first reconciliation, after that again one reconciliation, two time I am using the reconciliation, and after that I am coming out of this. Okay, so what will be the recursion relation for this? So just write down the recursion relation. Okay, in this question, two times I am calling the recursion. Okay, f, or fun I can write, not f, this is fun, so it will be better. So for understanding, this is fun and this is fun. Okay, so now you can tell me what should be the relation. Please, I just want the answer from everyone. Please reply. Because if you will get the question of the recurrence, or you will get the code of recurrence, then first you have made this type of situation, means first you will create the recurrence relation. After that you can find the total complexity. So there are some method to find out the complexity of these type of questions. So first you create the this type of recurrence relation, and after that you will see how can we means manipulate the thing, and how can we get the total complexity. Already in the iterative process you have seen कि वहां पे for loop को count करके you have just find the total complexities. So tell me the answer. What should be the answer?
Sir, we
Someone?
are but sure name.
हाँ बताओ.
So C plus
Hmm.
T n minus 1
Hmm.
plus T n minus 1.
Plus t n minus. Okay. Any other answer? This is for n is equal to.
Sir,
Hello.
n equal to 0 पे.
n is equal to 0 पे तो return हो रहा था बेटा. Just return.
Sir नहीं
So it will be when
else.
t is not equal to 0. Okay, or greater than 0 you can say. Okay, so let me explain. So again, you can understand, sir, when I am taking input t, input n, so I can say, sir, I am calculating for n. Okay, so here the situation when n is equal to 0, I am returning, just returning, so it is taking constant time. Sir, just returning, I am taking some constant time, because when the value is 0, I am just returned. ओके, इट विल टेक कांस्टेंट टाइम एवरी टाइम. एन की वैल्यू अगर जीरो ही है तो कांस्टेंट टाइम हम ले रहे हैं क्योंकि रिटर्न करना है, जस्ट रिटर्न. आफ्टर दैट टू रिकरेंस रिलेशन इज देयर. So for the first recurrence relation, I am taking time n minus 1, and for the second one, I am also taking the time n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 and n minus 1. So total time, that is okay. Total time will be, sir, the total time will be n uh, tn minus 1 plus tn minus 1. So you can write the 2 tn minus 1 to multiply tn minus 1 plus some constant c. So some constant c is there. So that is the situation at the t n is not is equal to 0, or you can say n is greater than 0. And when n is equal to 0, you are returning const. So this is constant, so you can write n is equal to 0, the value will be constant. So this will be your recurrence relation. So every time, प्लीज रिमेंबर द बेस केस. बेस केस आपको ये बेस केस होता है एवरी टाइम. दिस इज माई बेस केस, सो राइट द बेस केस ऑल्सो. Okay, in every question I just write this thing. In this question I am writing this is your base case. Okay, in the last question you have have you already seen every time I write this thing, because when you will calculate the complexity, there is the need of the base case. Without the base case you can't find the complexity. Here you can write the c or you can write the 1. Okay, here also you can write the c or you can write the 1. 1 means not the value is 1, so you can say, sir, this is only the constant, not I am saying it will take the one time. Okay, this is some constant, so I am putting 1 2 whatever. But for means for the solving the question or for solving the things, so you can write the 1. Okay, here you can write the 1, again you can write the 1 here also. Okay, c or 1, whatever you want you can write, so there is no problem with that, because we are dealing with the n is great, n, the value of n should be very large. Okay, so everything is okay till now? Please reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
just I am giving one more question, and just think about that after
ये वो previous slide.
previous slide. Okay,
ये सब बस.
okay, done. Okay, so I am taking one more question for that. So please reply. Int function I am taking. Okay, again I am taking one input n, and I am saying, sir, if n is greater than 0, then the situation will be like this: return 2 multiply f n by 2 plus 1. Okay, some plus 1 I am writing here and written like this, and else the condition is not true, then return 1. Okay, and I am right like this. So this is your code. Now I am asking you, what should be the recursion relation for this? Just try to find out. Come on, 1 minute, take 1 minute and write the answer. So any answer from your side?
सर एल्स का तो कांस्टेंट ही होगा.
किसका? tn का?
हाँ.
Sir,
Every time you will get the
तो
constant?
सिर्फ एल्स के लिए, मतलब अभी इफ का नहीं.
नहीं नहीं समझा नहीं, फिर से बोलो अगेन, क्या कह रहे हो?
सर जहाँ रिटर्न 1 लिखा है वहाँ पे तो सी होगा.
हाँ, मतलब यहाँ पे सी है, ठीक है। मीन्स एल्स की कंडीशन पे सी होगा, तो यू कैन से सर व्हेन एन इज नॉट इक्वल टू दी नॉट ग्रेटर देन जीरो, और यू कैन से सर एन इज इक्वल टू जीरो पे मे बी द कंडीशन लाइक दैट यू विल गेट द कांस्टेंट और 1. ओके, इज इट ओके? व्हेन कंडीशन इज एन ग्रेटर देन जीरो, व्हाट शुड बी द रिलेशन? नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट.
two. Sir, two
2
bracket में फिर bracket t n by 2 plus 1.
प्लस 1 और सी वॉट एवर, ये बताना
Yes.
चाहते हैं.
Yes.
ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्टूडेंट डू दिस थिंग, they write the thing like that. Please understand, this is here you are, you can take this thing like this. This is, it will take time tn. Okay, when n input I am giving, the time will be tn. Here you can say, sir, this is, this will be, it will take tn by 2 time. I am just multiplying of 2 in every time, so it will take the constant time. It will not take the n by 2 time again and again. It will take the constant time. Please try to understand. The problem is divided into n by 2. Just you are multiplying 2, and problem is divided into n by 2 size. ओके, केवल हमने साइज को कितनी बार डिवाइड किया है? एन बाई टू टाइम डिवाइड हो गया है, उसमें टू का मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, देन यू विल गेट द अगेन एंड अगेन यू आर doing the multiplication of 2, so it will take constant time. Okay, so you can say, sir, again you can multiply c, or you can remain the thing like this only. So this multiplication will not affect the thing, this 2 will not come in this situation. So you understand this thing? Please reply. It will take only the
Yes.
constant time c. Okay, so some means added for the addition purpose it is also some taking the constant time, so that's why I'm adding some constant time, or for return it will take some constant time. So multiplication, addition and return will take constant time, and the problem will be divided into n by 2 size, n to n by 2 size. So we will not multiply of this 2. So every time remember this thing when you are creating this type of thing. So you have to remember this thing. In the multiplication case you will not write the multiplication thing, and for the addition thing remember this thing. Here problem divided into two parts, n by 2 n by 2. In this problem is divided into two parts, it is multiplying just 2. Okay, so it will take the constant time, so it will be remembered by you. Okay, ये याद रहेगा, समझ में आ गया है क्या हो रहा है? इज इट ओके बेटा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, देन सो मैंने कई प्रॉब्लम आपको कई फ्लेवर्स में आपको कराई है कि प्रॉब्लम आपका n बाई टू n-1 रिलेशन आपके रिकरेंस डबल हो तो आपका डबल टाइम होता है, ठीक है, एडिशन हो तो आपका डबल टाइम होता है, बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन में यू विल टेक द वन टाइम. ओके, so the recurrence relation will be like this. Now I will tell you, sir, you can say, sir, now how can we solve this recurrence relation? How can you exact find the complexity? So we will learn this thing. So you can say how to solve the recurrence relation. Okay, so there are three methods for that. First method, that is the back substitution method. Substitution. Second method is recursion tree method, or recurrence tree method, you can say recurrence tree method. Third way to solve this thing is master theorem. Master's theorem. And one is expert, also their expert method. When you are able to do this all these things, then you can answer after seeing the problem you can directly guess the answer. That is the expert method. But we can say, sir, to solve this type of recurrence relation we have to use these type of methods. Okay, so this method, first I am telling you, this method is applicable for all type of problem. This method may be used for all type of problems, but this method is not used for all type of problems. So there is some conditions is there. So first we will learn about the back substitution method. So you can understand how can we find the relation, or how can we find the complexity with the help of recurrence relation. So back substitution method. So already when the code is given, so you can find the recurrence relation. ये तो आपने सीख लिया कि how can you find the recurrence relation. So I am writing on only the recurrence relation. This type of relation is given to you. If you think, sir, this type of relation is given to you, already you have seen, okay, and you can write, sir, one or constant. You can write here constant or one. I am writing one. Okay, so this is the condition for n is equal to 1, and this is the condition for n is equal to greater than 1 and n is equal to 1. So this type of relation is given to you. Then someone says, sir, find the complexity of this type of problem. So how can we solve this type of problem? First, please understand what is going on in this relation. So try to understand what is going on. So you can understand, sir, some n type of problem is given. Some n type of problem is given, and this problem is divided into n minus 1 type of problem. मीन्स साइज अगर पहले n है तो वो साइज किस में रिड्यूस हो रहा है? सर n-1 साइज में रिड्यूस हो रहा है, और उसको करने के लिए हमें कुछ कांस्टेंट वर्क डन लग रहा है. इसको कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज सम वर्क डन. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट हियर वर्क डन. सर कुछ कांस्टेंट वर्क डन भी यूज हो रहा है. अगर इसमें कोई कांस्टेंट एक वर्क डन भी यूज कर दूं, कुछ इस तरीके की सिचुएशन है. सर इसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है? नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. It is okay कि some n type of problem we are reducing that problem into n-1 time, and some work done is there. Okay, after that we can solve this type of. किसका माइक ऑन है? प्लीज ऑफ कर दो. हेलो. माइक किसी का ऑन है, वो शायद आवाज आ रही है मुझे। ओके।
हाँ सर, मेरा ऑन था मेरा।
हाँ बेटा, ऑफ कर दो। Okay, so now you can see here. So first we will write like this only. First we will go for this relation, and this is your base case. Please understand, this is your base case. We will use this base case when we are solving the question and in between of the solving this. So when you can write, sir, Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 plus C. Okay. Now I can say, if just put the value t n minus 1 here. Instead of n, you can put the value n minus 1 here. Then what will be the relation? Please tell me. What will be the relation here? What value will come here? Hello, just tell me. In place of n, you will put n minus 1. So here you will put n minus 1, sir. In place of n minus 1, I am putting n minus 1, and this is minus 1. Plus some c will be there, and already, so I am putting the value of n in whole relation, and already we have some c here. So I can write this c here, this c here, and I will put the n minus 1. इस रिलेशन में n minus 1 डाला, तो ये आपका n minus 1 plus c आ जाएगा. So what you will get here, sir, I will get t n minus 2 plus c. Is it okay? Plus c here. You are with me, because this is mathematics, normal mathematics is there, so you can understand. Or if you don't understand, so I am telling you one by one all the steps I am taking care of. Is it okay, beta? यहाँ तक मेरे साथ हो? Please reply,
Yes.
come on. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes,
you
sir.
can
Yes, sir.
write, sir, this is n minus 2 plus 2c. Is it okay? यहाँ तक तो ठीक है. ओके, नाउ आई एम पुटिंग, इंस्टीड ऑफ n माइनस 1 में क्या करता हूँ, इसमें n माइनस 2 डाल देता हूँ. सर, t n माइनस 2, व्हाट शुड बी द रिलेशन? सो जस्ट फाइंड आउट द रिलेशन इन दिस टर्म. जल्दी से बताओ, व्हाट शुड
So
बी द वैल्यू?
Tn minus 3 plus 3c.
टी एन माइनस 3 प्लस 3c. ये कितने बच्चों की समझ आ गया? देखो, यहाँ पे डालोगे टी एन माइनस 2 आ जाएगा, यहाँ डालोगे टी एन माइनस 3 आ जाएगा, और c एक पहले से है और दो सी पहले से यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं, या फिर आप यहाँ पे टी एन माइनस 1 फिर से कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो यू विल गेट द 3c हियर. ओके, 2 वहां से आ जाएगा. ओके, तो यू विल गेट द 3c हियर. तो नाउ if you will put t n minus 3, then the relation will be look like t n minus 4 plus 4c. So you can see, sir, when I am putting minus 1, tn minus 1, I am getting this type of relation. I am getting this thing, so tn minus 3, 3c. n minus 3 डाल रहा हूँ, तो n minus 4 इधर आ रहा है, 4c होता जा रहा है. So you can get some एक generalized solution. You can go for the generalized solution. I am going for the next thing, next page, or I can write here. So you can say, sir, if I will write like this, tn, okay, or I am putting this instead of this thing, I can write, sir, if I can write tn is equal to, okay, this is, if I am putting k here, okay, just tell me, if I am putting k here, so you can write, sir, if I am instead of 1 2 3 4, if I am writing k, just wait, if I am writing k here, so you can write, sir, then what will be the constant? Sir, constant will be k into c. This type of situation will be there if you are putting n minus k here. Is it okay, beta? If you are putting, अगर
Yes.
मैं इस रिलेशन को आगे बढ़ाता जाऊंगा और मैं कहता हूँ कि टी एन माइनस के हो जाए, लास्ट में सिचुएशन आपकी हो जाए टी एन माइनस के. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा आपका? के इंटू सी. दिस टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन विल अकर. ओके, इज इट ओके बेटा?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you will calculate all these things, so you can say, sir, last situation will be like this: Tn minus k into kc. Okay. So what you can do, you can write Tn. Okay. So what you can do, sir. So now I will use the base case. Now I will use the base case. In the base case, what I can put, sir, instead of this n minus k, in this value, if I will put, this case is given to you, means at n is equal to 1 you will get the value 1 or constant. You can say sir constant also, but for solving this question or easy way you can take 1. So मैं 1 की वैल्यू ले रहा हूँ जिससे मेरा आसान हो जाए क्वेश्चन, और कुछ नहीं. सो आई कैन टेक सर n माइनस के की जगह अगर मैं लेता हूँ बेस केस को, देन व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ के की वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? जस्ट टेल मी
सर n प्लस वन.
n+1.
नहीं सर, सॉरी सर, n-1.
n-1. चलो s देख लेते हैं, इधर ले जाओगे, व्हेन यू विल पुट द वैल्यू, इसको इधर ले जाओ तो -k 1 - n हो जाएगा, और k का माइनस इधर ले जाओगे तो n-1 हो जाएगा. तो k विल बी n-1. ओके, k विल बी n-1. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. जिसको यहाँ पे अभी समझ नहीं आया, देखो समझने की कोशिश करना मैंने क्या किया है. ये मैंने आपको पहला स्टेप दिखाने के लिए किया, मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ. देखो प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. फर्स्ट मैंने क्या किया, देखो मैंने क्या किया है कि फर्स्ट n-1 प्लस सी आपको एक रिलेशन दिया हुआ है. अब n-1 की जगह मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ, n-2 प्लस सी लिख सकता हूँ. n-1 की जगह n-2 प्लस सी. अब इस tn-2 की जगह क्या लिख सकता हूँ, tn-3 प्लस 3c, मतलब 2c और आ जाएगा उसमें, एक सी पहले से ऐड हो जाएगा तो इस तरीके से 3c हो जाएगा. इस tn-3c की जगह क्या लिख सकता हूँ, tn-4 प्लस 4c लिख सकता हूँ. तो ये जो आंसर आ रहा है वो ऑल द आंसर इज फॉर tn. ये सभी आंसर किसके लिए आ रहे हैं, tn के. केवल मैंने यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना स्टार्ट किया है. इसकी जगह पे tn-1 की जगह tn-2 लिखा, tn-2 की जगह tn-3 लिखा, tn-3 की जगह tn-4 लिखा. इसीलिए मैं जनरलाइज टर्म कह रहा हूँ कि सर tn विल बी tn-1 n-k प्लस c की, इसकी वैल्यू ऐसे बढ़ाता जाऊंगा तो दिस रिलेशन विल आई विल गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ रिलेशन. तो अगर मुझे इस टाइप का रिलेशन मिल गया तो यहाँ पे मैं बेस केस देखूंगा. बेस केस विल बी, यहाँ पे मैं 1 करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, n-k को अगर 1 कर दूं तो k की वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगी, n-1. नाउ यू कैन पुट द वैल्यू, नाउ यू कैन पुट द वैल्यू सर. सो tn विल बी क्या होगा, रिलेशन अब क्या बन गया, जब बेस केस को मैंने पुट कर दिया तो यू कैन से सर टी tn-1 को तो मैंने 1 ले लिया था, tn-k को तो मैंने 1 ले लिया था, तो यू कैन राइट सर दिस इज t1. ओके, प्लस k की जगह मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ, बताओ यहाँ पे k की वैल्यू कितना है, n-1 इंटू सी, और इंटू 1 भी लिख सकता था, इंटू सी लिख लो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. c की जगह 1 ले लोगे, दैट इज ओके. ओके, ये मैंने कर लिया. अब t1 की वैल्यू मुझे बताओ, बेस केस में t1 की वैल्यू कितनी है, n इज इक्वल टू, सॉरी पुराना केस है, n इज इक्वल टू 1 पे आपकी वैल्यू कितना मिल रहा था, या तो 1 लिख सकते हो या c लिख सकते हो. तो आई एम राइटिंग 1 इंस्टीड ऑफ दिस 1. t1 की वैल्यू आपका कितना हो गया, सम कांस्टेंट 1 आ गया. ओके, प्लस यहाँ पे आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन कितना आ जाएगा, c इंटू एन माइनस सी. ओके, माइनस सी, और यहाँ पे 1 भी ले सकता हूँ, चलो c ले लिया. यहाँ पे आप लोग c भी ले सकते थे, कुछ भी ले सकते थे, tn माइनस. नाउ just tell me this is tn is equal to some constant into n plus 1 minus c. This is also a constant. ये पूरा टर्म कांस्टेंट है, ये कांस्टेंट है, तो वी कैन इग्नोर द कांस्टेंट फॉर ग्रेटर वैल्यू और हायर वैल्यू. वी कैन इग्नोर दिस पार्ट. इज इट ओके, वी कैन इग्नोर दिस पार्ट. कांस्टेंट को इग्नोर कर दिया, यहाँ के कांस्टेंट को इग्नोर कर दिया. सो tn will be equal to, when I am ignoring this part, इसमें से कुछ पार्ट को कम कर रहा हूं, so you can write the o, big o. big O of आपका क्या बचा हुआ है, n बचा हुआ है. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट सर दिस इज द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ दिस कोड. इस टाइप के रिलेशन की कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी आपकी ये जनरेट हो गया है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल द स्टेप्स, सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. First, this type of relation will be given to you. Okay, then I will try back substitution, means I will find the relation in this, means how can I go for the series. Okay, so first I will try to find out this value. This value will be, if I will put n instead of n, if I will put n-1, then I will get n-2 plus c. Okay, so the relation will be n-2 plus 2c. Is it okay? Now I am putting n-3, यहाँ पे n-2 n-3, so I just try to find out the value of n-2. now द वैल्यू ऑफ n-2 कितना हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे n-2 रखोगे तो n-2 t n-3 प्लस सी आई का आंसर आ जाएगा आपका। ओके, अगर इसको यहाँ पे रख दोगे तो 3c हो जाएगा, तो 3c यहाँ से आ गया, टी एन माइनस थ्री यहाँ आ गया। अब टी एन माइनस थ्री की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है। इफ यू आर फाइंड आउट टी एन माइनस थ्री, सो यू विल गेट द टी एन माइनस फोर प्लस फोर सी। अब ये आपको एक जनरलाइज सॉल्यूशन दिखना स्टार्ट हो गया कि सर इस तरीके से मैं कब तक जाऊँ, कब तक चलता रहूँ। मैं एक जनरलाइज सॉल्यूशन ले ले रहा हूँ, दिस इज जनरलाइज सॉल्यूशन। यू कैन से सर आई एम टेकिंग के, I am putting n minus k value, then what will be the scenario? The scenario will be like this. You can see here, this is 1c, 2c, 3c, 4c. When I am putting this k here, you can write the k into c. Okay, so this will be our generalized solution. After that, after getting the generalized solution, I will go for the base case. This is my generalized solution, general solution. Then I will go for the base case. Okay, at the base case, what is the situation is given to you? Then you will check, sir, n is equal to 1, you will get the constant or you will get the 0. So you here you can see, because if I am using 1 here, अगर c यहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हो तो c यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हो, तो आपके c से c कैंसिल हो जाते, तो सी एन डायरेक्ट आ सकता था, बट आई एम सेइंग अगर मैं नहीं भी करता तो यू कैन सी द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी। Okay, when I am using the base case, then you can see, sir, the value of k I can obtain. So the value of k is n minus 1 now. Now you can see, sir, if I am putting the value of base case here, so what is the situation now? Now Tn will be Tn, n minus k you can write the 1, n minus k you already taken the 1, so you will write the 1 here. At k place of k you have put n minus 1 here, so c is the constant, that is multiplication. So when you will get this type of situation, then you will find out the complexity. Sir, we can reduce the higher order term or we can reduce the constant sum, constant term also. So I am reducing the constant term, so you can directly write, sir, if you are reducing the ignoring the constant term, so I can take the big O, and this is order of n. Okay, so directly I can write, sir, the complexity of this type of situation, the complexity will be big O of n. Is it okay बेटा, समझ में आया? केवल हमने क्या किया, बैक सब्स्टिट्यूट करते गए. Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
very good. So again, we will see one more example, or this time please take the copy and pen and try yourself first. Then I will tell you कि what is the situation and how can you get the answer. Because एक question कर लोगे तो you will get the confidence. So this is the example 2. So you can say, sir, Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 I am taking, and this time I am, instead of 1 I am putting n here, and at the t1 you can say, sir, I am getting the constant, and this is the situation, n is greater than 1, and you can say directly it is saying this is the situation at t is equal to n or t is equal to 1. So this type of relation is given to you, then you have to find the complexity of this question. Okay, so find the complexity of big O. Find the complexity. So first you just try for this. Recurrence relation. First you will try, then I will explain the thing. So you will get the confidence if you get the answer for this. So first try yourself. Take 1 or 2 minutes, then I will go for this explanation. So you have started question. Should I explain or someone give the answer?
Yes, sir. Generalized solution.
हाँ, जनरलाइज का सॉल्यूशन बताओ तब मैं जाता हूँ. क्या निकल के आया?
So Tn minus k equal to.
Tn minus k, not Tn is every time you will get the Tn, not Tn minus.
Tn
Hmm.
minus k
Hmm.
plus
Hmm.
n minus
Hmm.
k minus 1.
K minus 1. Okay, good.
So bracket में है k minus 1.
Okay, K minus 1
n
bracket में.
minus k minus 1. सर नहीं,
Then,
n minus k minus 1 bracket में है.
okay, you are saying, sir, like this, K minus 1. Okay, good. Then, so this relation
सर अभी करते हैं.
और कर रहे हो. Okay, but till now you are right, but this thing, this will be extended, I think. Okay, good. Your attempt is good. So we will see. Okay, first we will see this question again. Okay, so nice attempt. Now you can see here. Okay, sir, the relation is given to me, that is Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 plus n. First we will deal this thing. This is the base case, sir. So ये base case तो कब होगा जब generalized form we will obtain, then we will use the base case. Okay, this type of relation is given to you. So sir, first I will try to find out the value of this. So you can divide this Tn will be here. Sir, I can divide this part into Tn minus 2. So how can I write, sir? If I am putting Tn minus 2 here, okay, so instead of means you can say, sir, if I am putting at the n here you can put n minus 1 for understanding. So here the value will be t n minus 2 plus some n will be there, but instead of n here you will write, sir, n minus 1, and this n will be remain same. Okay, this n will be come here at the value of n, the because you are putting n minus 1, this n minus 1 will be come here. Is it okay, beta? You are with me,
Yes.
everyone? Okay,
Yes.
so for the next time what is happening, sir, I am putting n minus 2 here. Okay, if I am putting n minus 2, so this will be t n minus 3. Is it okay? T n minus 3 plus, sir, n minus 3 will be there, but sorry, n minus 2 will be there, n minus 2 will be there, but two terms will be there again. Sir, I can write n plus n, sorry, n minus 1, n minus 1, or this n term will be there. So sir, this type of situation will occur. So you can say, sir, अगर मैं यहाँ पे n minus 3 डाल दूँ, then hello, n minus 4 will be there, plus n minus 3 will be there, and after that three terms will be there. There are n minus 2 plus n minus 1 and n minus plus n. So you can say, sir, now I am putting some k value here, n minus k. So what should be the situation? The situation will be like this. Sir, I can write here t n minus n minus k, or you, sorry, if I am putting n minus k, so you will write, sir, some situation will be like this. This is one more thing, means if you are adding one thing more to this, so you can write, sir, if I am putting this type of thing, so I can write, sir, n minus k will be there. Is it okay? N minus k will be there because when I am putting t n minus 2, is it okay or wrong? It is right, I think. Till now it is right.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So t n minus 3, t n minus 4. Okay. So I am putting, okay. Now the situation will be like this. Plus some situation will be like this. Sir, here you will get n minus k minus 1. Is it okay? Is it okay, beta? एक कम यहाँ पे मिल रहा है, ये देखो एक कम मिल रहा है, दैट्स वाई आई एम रिड्यूसिंग माइनस वन, आई एम यूजिंग माइनस वन, एंड अगेन आफ्टर दैट सम टर्म्स विल बी देयर, means after that k minus 2 you will get k minus 3, so it will go till the t n minus 2 plus t n minus 1 plus n. This type of situation will occur. Okay, ये terms भी तो सभी add होंगी ना? So all the terms I am adding. So I am using this dot dot dot, and you can write this thing. Is it okay? You are with me till now? Is it okay? This is the
Yes,
generalized term.
sir.
Okay, very good. So when you will get the generalized term, I am saying, sir, when I will get the generalized term, then I will use the base case. So what is the base case? Base case is given to you, t1 is equal to some constant, or you can say, sir, I can use 1. Okay, so here you can write, I am writing in the next page, sir, the relation is like this, tn is equal to tn minus k plus some situations like that, n minus k प्लस वन कर देता हूँ, उसको ओपन कर देता हूँ. ओके, और डॉट 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 इट विल गो टिल द n माइनस टू, n माइनस, इट विल गो टिल द n तक, n माइनस वन और n, क्या था आपका, n माइनस वन और n माइनस वन और n प्लस है ये सब बीच में. Okay, this type of generalized term we will get, and we will use the base case, sir. Base case is again given to you, sir, that is given t1 is equal to c. So I will put, instead of this value n minus k, I will put that is 1. So again same relation I will get, k is equal to n minus 1. Okay, now I will check. Sir, k की वैल्यू हमें मिल गया है, अब हम चेक करते हैं क्या होने वाला है. So you can see, sir, tn will be equal to, instead of k minus 1 I can write t1. Okay, at the place of this, at the place of k, now I can put, sir, n minus 1. Oh, sorry, at the place of this k I can put n minus 1. When I will put n minus 1, so you can see here n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, here you will go till the, here you can put n minus 1. So this will be the same situation. Here you can write n minus 2 will be here, plus n minus 1 will be here, because this is n will be here. Okay, so here the n is n cancel, and this minus 1 will be converted to plus 1, so it will start from the 2. So you can see that it will start from the 2, and it will go till the n minus 2, n minus 1, and n. Okay, so it will go like this, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 dot 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 n minus 2, n minus 1. This type of situation is occurring. Now you can say, sir, what is the value of this? So you can check the value of this is equal to c or 1, whatever you want to write. So I am writing 1 here, instead of c I am writing 1, so value is 1 here. Okay, so Tn is equal to, so situation is like that. Now you can understand better. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot dot dot, last value is n. Okay, so do you know the answer of this? Already I have seen. So it is written the summation of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The answer of this question is n plus 1 by 2. ये तो मैंने बताया था क्लास में, याद है आप लोगों को? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So the answer will be, the Tn will be n square by 2 plus n by 2. Okay, so already you know, sir, I am removing the constant term and the lower order term. So lower order term I am removing, and I am removing also the constant term. So Tn will be equal to the big O of n square. Okay, so the complexity of this type of situation or the question will be Tn is equal to big O of n square. Is it okay? ये समझ में आया है कैसे किया हम लोगों ने? तो केवल मैं क्या करता हूँ, जो भी आपकी वैल्यू आ रही है उसकी जगह दूसरी वैल्यू को पुट करता जाता हूँ, एक जनरलाइज टर्म ढूंढता हूँ. आफ्टर गेटिंग द जनरलाइज टर्म आई एम सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द बेस केस, and after that I will try to find out the complexity. So this is the procedure to find out the in the substitution method, and you will get the complexity of that type of question. Is it okay? Yes or no? Please reply.
Yes, sir.
सर
हाँ बेटा पूछो.
इसकी पहले वाली स्लाइड में एक डाउट है.
अच्छा पूछो बेटा. हाँ
सर ये टर्म्स मतलब n-2 n-1 फिर n-3 कैसे आ रहे हैं, मैं तो समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. एक बार
अच्छा, एक सेकंड, चलो फिर से मैं इस क्वेश्चन को अगली स्लाइड पे समझा देता हूँ. देखो, रिलेशन में फिर से लिख लेता हूँ, नेक्स्ट टाइम टेकिंग 2 मिनट लूंगा, अभी समझ आ जाएगा, डोंट वरी. मैं इसको ओके, द रिलेशन इज गिवन टू यू tn minus 1, no sorry, tn is equal to दिया है tn minus 1 प्लस n, ये रिलेशन दिया है। अब ये सब कुछ भूल जाओ, ये वैल्यू कैसे आ रही है वो समझने की। देखो मुझे क्या करना है, देखो क्वेश्चन समझो, मुझे क्या करना है, मैं स्टॉप कर देता हूँ रिकॉर्डिंग, दैट इज आई थिंक इनफ। आफ्टर दैट ये समझाने का है तो मैं दोबारा समझा देता हूँ।